We are at the I-66 transfer station and recycling and disposal facility, and it is sitting on an old closed landfill. Well, we're unveiling a new initiative, sustainability initiative, that will help beautify the landfill, that will help create some pollinator habitat and fulfill our mission for the agency to be more sustainable. And in the case of this landfill, putting up this meadow and replanting and taking out the invasives and adding the grasses and the flowers and creating that pollinator habitat fits well with that mission. That has been done in partnership with Sustainability Matters, and there's a number of folks coming in from around the community, community leaders, environmental groups, and certainly many folks from the Department of Public Works.
So Sustainability Matters is a conservation organization that was based in the Shenandoah Valley, started a couple years ago with the goal to make conservation fun and to bring conservation to unexpected places. And one of our flagship projects is Making Trash Bloom, which takes closed landfill spaces and plants pollinator meadows on top. And it's a great way to educate people on the importance of pollinators and using land wisely. And today we're super excited to unveil our involvement in Fairfax County. The ultimate goal, besides saving the planet, of course, is our ultimate goal, right? Conservation is important. And the other part of it is education. You know, we have so many people that come to this landfill every day, every week. The exposure to groups that wouldn't necessarily come to the Arboretum or come to Green Spring to learn about native plants, they'll just happen to be here and know about our project, so we can spread the word and spread the importance of pollinators, so that we're taking something that was basically just vacant space and turning it into something that really is profoundly important for our ecosystem, and it's also important from an educational perspective.